morning everyone. What is up guys? Welcome back to another video. So today I will be doing a product review on Micheal Todd. This is the Sonic Refresher. So it's like a microdermabrasion, wet and dry microdermabrasion, which I really love. And it's also an extraction system. I've seen really great reviews on this. And I've been trying to find a product, something similar to this. And I also got this at Ulta Beauty. So I'm gonna go ahead and start unboxing the product. Now, it does come with little filters. So this is what the filters come out. You should change the filter every time you use it. And you use this only once a week. It also comes with a bottle. And it also comes with a funnel. Basically what this funnel's for, guys, so open the back and this is where you'll put your toner of your preference. So you can either put it in this bottle, it'll give you like easy access to just squirt in there, or you can just use the funnel. The toner that I like to use, guys, because I couldn't find the Micheal Todd Beauty toner in the store, but the toner I do like to use is the witch hazel. So I'll just go ahead and pour that in the back of it right quick. Now that that's full, I'm gonna go ahead and close it. Now guys, once I close that, that's basically for the mist to come out of this side, but I'm gonna go ahead and show you guys that in a second. It also comes with 4 heads. It comes with the coarse tip, and it will have the letter on there as well, so you guys know which tip is what. It comes with the really small tip, and it also comes with a fine tip. Oh, and there's one more tip, guys. This is the pore extraction tip. This one doesn't have any lettering on it. Each of these 4 tips are used for 4 different reasons. The coarse tip, which is the letter C, it's basically used for uneven skin tone, fine lines, enlarged pores, and also dark spots, guys. So if you have dark spots, I do have just a tiny bit of dark spots, not too much, so I will be actually using this first. So the small tip is basically for hard to reach areas like around your nose. This is also for wrinkles as well. So if you guys do have any wrinkles, this also helps reduce the look of wrinkles. The fine tip is for smoothing your skin out. So I love this because this actually gives you a much more brighter looking youthful skin tone. So it basically removes all the dead skin cells on top and then replace it with new skin cells. Now the last head, which is the pore extraction tip, this basically removes all pore clogging impurities. Okay, so if you have clogged pores, this is actually gonna help you guys remove that. Now that I showed you guys the Sonic Refresher and also all 4 of the heads, let me show you guys how it works. So, like I said, I am gonna start off with the coarse tip, which is letter C. And it's really easy, so you'll just attach it to there. Make sure it's tight. Now that my tip is on, I'm going to go ahead and turn it on. You have 2 settings. You have the mister, and you also have the microderm. Now I'm going to go ahead and turn the microderm on. You have 3 different settings. So you have low, medium, high. I'm going to go ahead and start off using the high setting, just because I really want to see how well this works on high setting. And one thing else that I love about the product, it turns blue. I don't know if you guys can see it, but this area turns blue once it's on. And one more thing, guys, it also comes with a charger, a USB charger. You'll just put it on the charger and plug it into like a USB setting. So let's get started. With this C-tip, I did read the directions. So with the C-tip, it tells you which direction to go. So with this tip, you want to always go up. Upwards. Guys, the reason why I am using the mist at the same time is because it's giving me a moisture, it's moisturizing my skin on the high setting. Wow, it's really suctioning my face. Woo! And you see it is giving me a little bit of redness, but that's okay. that's normal. It's gonna disappear. Go up on your forehead. I feel like doing my forehead's the worst part because it's like bone. You want to avoid the under eye area just because our under eye is the most sensitive and the most fragile. Lastly, I'm just going to use the pore extraction tip. I want to turn that one on low. So now that I'm done, I'm going to go ahead and infuse my face with the mist. So now that I'm rehydrated, my skin actually feels really amazing. It feels very good, as you guys can see. I know it's a little bit red. Oh, now that I finished rehydrating my face, I'm going to go in with some vitamin C serum. Just to let you guys know, my skin feels baby smooth. It literally feels baby smooth. So I am going to go in with some vitamin E oil. And basically what vitamin E is going to strengthen my skin cells. And guys, when you do start applying any types of oils or serums, make sure your hands are clean. And I'm excited too because texture was a really big thing for me. So I can't wait. I will be coming back on here within 1 hour to show you guys you know, what my skin looks like after an hour. But yeah, this is what my skin looks like so far. Okay guys, so I'm back. It's been about an hour. My skin feels amazing. As you guys can see, I am seriously glowing. One thing that I love about this product, once I got finished with the pore extraction tip, I got a Q-tip and swabbed the inside of it. I seen a lot that came out of my pores. Another great thing that I love about this product, you guys see this black filter, so when I open it up, I seen a lot of like whiteheads. Also seen a lot of my dead skin. And like I did say, you're supposed to change this filter out at least you know, once a week every time you do use it. So overall, I absolutely love this product. I am going to be using this once a week. I can't wait to see where this skin journey takes me. It also unclogged a lot of my pores, so I know right now some of my pores are visible just because it did take out a lot that was in my pores. But once I do start using this every week, it's going to start minimizing my pores. Thank you so much for watching. If you're new to my channel, go ahead and subscribe. If you like this video, go ahead and give it a thumbs up. And I'll just talk to you guys in my next video. Bye.